and the girl who loves the sea. It calls me.
Ngicela ukunibingelela nonke bantwana bethongo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ke nonke nisaphila. Namhlanje let's talk about just a few things, but firstly ngicela ukubonga bonke abakhulekile bakithi ukuthi ngithi ukuhlala kancane on this channel khona bezokwazi ukuthi bathole some teachings. Siyabonga umkhuleko wenu izwakele. Benikhuluma nami kuma emails ku WhatsApp nisho ukuthi niyacela, well ngathi izwakalile imkhuleko yenu, so okwamanje I'll remain. Okay, namhlanje let me just highlight izinto esikhuluma ngazo. One, ngifuna ukukhuluma about what are the dangers of ukuphahla in places that are just not for you. I'm talking about mountains, I'm talking about rivers, iziziba, into kanjalo. And then living in Dwaso and you don't see personal or spiritual growth, okay? And then the importance of umsamo indlu yabantu abadala, you know, kwakho la uhlala khona. Ngizokhuluma kakhulu nabantu abangarenti, abanezindlu zabo, imizi yabo okanye ikhaya, angibeke kanjalo. And then ngicela sikhulume as well ngokushweleza ethongweni the right way, okay? Mase ngicela sikhulume also about seeing shadows. Does not always mean isilwane. You need to understand i-present your spirit and how they communicate, okay? And then what else? What am I forgetting? Okay, and lastly ukuthi ukuthula kwemimoya, whether umoya wenzuza idlozi isithunywa, sometimes it's not a bad sign and sometimes it calls for a concern. Okay, number one, what are the dangers of ukuphahla in places that are just not for you? Okay, what do I mean? I'm talking about, let's say you are not a water child, you know, awuyena umntwana wezintaba, awuyena umntwana wesiziba, awuyena umntwana wasehlane. But you are not a water child, and yet you feel good, you just want to go for maybe a river cleansing, noma impopomo. You're not a mountain child, however you feel ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuyokhuleka entabeni, maybe going on my 7-day fast, 3 days fast. It depends ukuthi wena isiphi isicelo sakho kanye ufuna ukuyokwenzelade entabeni. Yet awunayo imoya yasentabeni, yet awunayo imoya yasemanzini, okay? What are the dangers of ukuphahla in places that are just not for you? Okay. Okokuqala, you need to understand ama places la usukuya khona. You need to feel ukuthi i-energy yakhona in those places, are you drawn to the energy or not? If you are not, then don't continue whatever that you are doing because that place is just not for you. If I'm saying you're not a water child, akusho ukuthi awuyi emanzini, angiqale lapho ngaze misunderstanding. Ukuya emanzini, you can go emanzini, but stick to umfula emncane. Don't go kwimifula emikhulu because you don't know the dangers there. You know, the safety yakho and into eningi kunemimoya bantwana bedlozi ezigcwele kulezi zindawo lezi. Kunemimoya, the bigger the place is, the bigger imimoya yakhona uyizwa. I'll talk about abantu ke who understand what I'm talking about. Yabona, if you go to the highest mountain ngikhuluma ukuthi intaba ephezulu la othi bufike khona phezulu, There's no houses, nothing, because akekho umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi akhele lapha quick, because it's like you a hiker uzoshona khona yabo. Imoto ishiya le ezansi, and yabona indawo ekanjalo, when you up there you feel ukuthi i-energy yalentaba le it's big. Okay, so if nawe unemoya yezintaba, you click, you connect with that place, yabona. So you feel at home, you feel safe, and yonke into osukuzoyenza khona vele you do feel ukuthi hayi lento engizelela ikhona. But however, uma ungayena umntwana onemimoya yaseintabeni, I'm not saying don't go ezintabeni, but stick to intaba encane la ozokwazi khona ukubona ukuthi okay ku-safe, it's not scary, ngisho ukhona kuleyo ntaba awusabi, yabona. I-energy yalapho, it's not as bad as going to the highest mountain. So it's safer for you to remain, you know, endaweni ezincane. Same goes for amanzi. Amanzi just stick to umfula omncane. La uzokwazi khona ukuthi ungene ukhuleke uqede lapho uhambe ugoduke ekhaya, because it's something small engasabisi okwazi ukubonayo nje ukuthi amanzi aqala la agcina la kuwena and all, yabona. But don't go imfuleni emikhulu and zonke lezi zinto, because firstly okuqala imfole emikhulu uzofila ukuthi you scared, because vele i-energy yalana it's too strong for you. Akuyona into esingathi mhlambe unemoya, unomndawo, unenzuza, unemimoya, unomlozo wamanzi, zonke leyo moya leyo. But ngoba phela sonke we breathe water, we live ngamanzi and everything. So amanzi vele, all of us, cleansing yamanzi we do need. So if you feel the urge to know, I really need to go. If usaba, then get someone to accompany you. Or if usaba, get umelaphi wendabuko ozobusa umphahlele msamo ukuthi ucela ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozolekelela yokuyohlambulula wena, noma ngabe yohlambulula imimoya okanye yozenzela iladi nje lasemanzini. Nothing is stopping you that, but just be careful in going to places that are not mostly for you. Izindaba mostly, yabona. Kuziningi imimoya abantwana bedlozi egcwele intabeni. Kunabakhofu, kunotikoloshe, ngicela ungayibali miningi, but I'm talking about imimoya natural. Angisakhulumi ngale ekhandwayo, ngikhuluma ngemimoya natural, but they reside in mountains. Kunemgede ekhona in the mountains, yabo. Leyo mgede ihlala imimoya ehlukahlukene. So when umuntu ombethwe imimoya yaseintabeni, uyazi ukuthi when you go to places like this, firstly ukhuleka kanjani khona, uzibike, ucele ukusebenzisa, and uyacela nokuthi kungasondeli le mimoya ezofika izokuthikameza during your ritual or your prayers or lokho sukuzela, yabo. So nje just be careful in going places, just go smaller. If umuntu okay asithathe ngomuntu osayiqalela nje ukuhamba the journey, or umuntu vele ongayena wamanzi but ufisike emanzini, ongayena weintaba but ufike eintabeni, just stick to the smallest, then you'll be fine. Because at the end of the day, no one is saying ungayi phahla entabeni, no one is saying ungayi phahla emfuleni nasempophomeni, but don't go for these big places, you know, because for your safety, uhamba wedwa especially, yabona. So it's very important, yabona. Ilana the dangers are ukuthi ugcine usuzwa kuthiwa umelaphi wendabuko umukile, whether ubekade eyogeza abantu, whether ubehambisa amathwasa, whether noma ngabe bekwenzakalani, yabo. Noma kuthiwa bekutholakala umuntu kade ekhuleka waminza, angithi yabona. Because now you going to something maybe you are not used to, you're going to indawo vele enkulu than where you're supposed to go. For so nje it's better, because nemimoya fanele understand, umuntu wamanzi, you need to understand okokuqala endaweni osuku kuyona ukuthi is it safe for me to be here. Uma bonga wena umuntu wamanzi awunawo lawa ama instincts mostly to sense ukuthi in this water source, am I safe or not? Is it clean? Is it a safe place for me to be here? Because kunemifula that are just not there by nature, nje sesingasakhuluma into eningi engabhukudwa kuyona. because they know ukuthi maybe kunama crocodiles, kunezinto ezithize khona, yabona. Abantu abaningi abazithola bendawo, they know ukuthi cha kulomfula asibhukuthi asikho ngisho amanzi, asingisho kowasha khona, because it's not safe. So when if ungazilutho awunayo ngisho leyo, leyo connection with water, nothing is going to tell you ukuthi, you know what, don't be here. Yabona, ngoba nawe awukakazithola, awukakazi understand ukuthi you need to understand ukuthi if usendaweni engafanele ube kuyona, umzimba wakho will react in a specific way to show you or tell you or give you a sign ukuthi, and a signal ukuthi no, this is just not, the place is not for you. Same goes ngisho ey'ntabeni. Ey'ntabeni kunezilwane zasendle, kunezinye izinto ezingekho right, kunemimoya still, as I said, engekho right, that can harm you. So uma bungenayo leyo moya nawe that resides with you, akulula ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ukudonsa ukuthi no, this place is just not off. So kuhle bantwana bedlozi, understand. How do you know ukuthi wena imimoya yakhe kanjani? Read your dreams. Ama-dreams akho will tell you. If uyiphupha njalo usolwandle, uyiphupha usempophomeni, uyiphupha usemfuleni, uyiphupha useyintabeni, just watch ukuthi le ndawo osuke uyiphupha kuyona ikangakanani, by the sea, yabo. Watch your dreams because they always show you abantu abadala. If ungampela uphupha maybe a lake, a huge lake, and they will show you where it is because they know that lake leyo, it's safe for you, but they always show you ukuthi indawo efanele ube kuyona indawo ekanjani. Okay, ake sikhulume ngokuthi ukuphuma ephehlweni, living in Ntwaso, and you don't see any personal or spiritual growth. What is the cause of that? Asiqale ngomuntu ongene nje ephehlweni, angazange azatshelwe idlozi ukuthi akahamba yothwasela lapho. Uhambile, wabona ukuthi unenkinga, wahamba wayoyiconsultela without ukuphahlela abantu abadala ukuthi bakulead where you need to go. Fine, uyaconsulta, and then this person tells you ukuthi ke fanele uthwase, fanele uzothwasa. Kungabi khona ngisho idlozi elizophakama mhlawumbe ukuthi yes, this is the right place. Nawe nama instincts akho angakutshela ukuthi ayi kwangathi I'm in the right place, but ngoba u desperate, you need help. You've been everywhere trying to fix a situation that you are going through, and you decide ukuthi okay, lokho kushiwo ugogo okanye lokho kushiwo umkhulu, I will do it. Sengikhuluma ngaleso sangoma leso osuke ukusona. I'm referring them to gogo nomkhulu lo suku kuyena, alright? Akufake ephehlweni. Akufake ephehlweni akugcoba ibofu. I'm not quite sure ukuthi in Joburg niyibiza ngani, but here in KZN siyibiza ngebofu. In English, the red clay. You know that red clay, mostly in Joburg, banigcoba kona emakhanda. Angeke ngize ngirelate kakhulu to indlela yokwenza kulezo zigodlo nangendlela ababiza ngayo, but mina ngala ibovu mostly ligcoba esweni, your arms and your legs. Kugcotshwa ibovu, uyamfaka kumuntu ke, ake sithi ke ufikile ke ephehlweni ke bakugcoba ibovu, bakuphehlelele bakwenze yonke into iqala intwaso yakho. However, you can see during intwaso yakho ukuthi I'm just not feeling this. Mhlambe kuze kufikelwa amakhehla nezalikwazi akususise yonke lento, ufakwe nanobuhlalo, lobuhlalo once immediately wafaka kulelo phehla uzizwa ugula kakhulu kunaqala. Abanye they can't even walk thereafter. Abanye nje things just get worse. You had a job, you lose your job. There's a lot that happens if we ephehlweni wrong, especially bebezokwenza izinto ezi wrong. Futhi bakufaka ngisho ubuhlalo bakhona lelo phehlo. All right, okay? Now you're deciding with no, you know what, this is not working for me. I'm leaving leli phehlo. Ngoba sekunama signs amaningi to show you ukuthi you need to leave this place. You leave this place, maybe you consult somewhere else and they tell you ukuthi no, what are you doing? Idlozi lakho aliyazi lento oyenzayo, and you leave, whether you consult or not, but you leave. And thereafter uzibona ukuthi okay, sengiyekile into abantu abadala bebengazange bazi bangitshela ukuthi angenze, but why am I not seeing growth in my life? Why manje idlozi lami selingasavezi ke phela ukuthi ke what should be the next step? What is it that I need to do? Yini le wrong engasahambi kahle? Bantwana bethongo, yabona leli ibovu leli enigcotshwa lona. lingazange lize lisho idlozi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ugcotshwe lona, ngoba phela whatever that is being done to you ephehlweni kusuke kwenziwa kuleso sidalwa, kusuke wena ozosithwasela kuleso sigodlo, okay, kulelo ziko in another language. So now buzokwenziswa into isidalwa sakhe singakazithi icele, that's going to give you a problem. Wena shuthi usugcobe umuntu omdala ngebovu, fana nokuthi manje usumzilisile yena engazange azayicele leyo nto. Usufake nobuhlalo, okokuqala ubuhlalo oburongi in your body ekufanele ngabe awubufakile. Yo, lokho kuyamosha a lot empilweni yakho. And in the process of intwaso ke, umuntu umfake ibovu, kune process ke kufanele wenze khona umsebenzi wokugeza ibovu. Abangenile ephehlweni eli correct, they know what I'm talking about. Kunomsebenzi we slaughter la suke sikushiyo khona ukuthi uzogeza ibovu, you reaching to another stage of intwaso yakho. So you living iphehlo and you did not remove lento owagcotshwa yona, that stays in you as a shadow. Isihleli lento yebovu wena isiyithunzi, okay? Obviously akusekho growth ozoba ibona empilweni yakho because now usurroundwe wena ilento ongazange uze uyigeze owayigcoba nezidalwa zakho. Wafaka nobuhlalo obugqilaze idlozi lakho bagqilaza nawe, okay? So bantwana bedlozi, if uzophuma ephehlweni okade wenziswa khona izinto, this is how you do it. You have to do a ritual. Firstly, really ritually iyokulahla leli dlozi kade uthwasela kulona. Remember, if uphehlelelwa kusuke kuhlanganiswa isidalwa zakho nezidalwa zakulelo khaya lelo ziko lelo. So mase kuhlanganisa lemimoya lena, wena uyahamba awusayisusi, you know, that connection, you don't break that connection anymore. Wena should you forever spiritually attached to lelo khaya lelo. So you need to break that. Ngoba lelo ziko lelo liya kulimaza, because some gobelas go to an extreme also ukuthi aza kusebenzisele imithi just to get you back ukuthi ubuye. Okay? So once you break that bond, because baningi abantu athi gogo ngithakathwa ugobela owayekade engithwasisa. Ngobani, to them it's not an easy thing yokhanjelwa ithwasa and all of that. They feel embarrassed, or I don't know, I don't even want to relate to that. So now when akufanele ke masuphumile kulelo phehlo, fanele ugeze, you cleanse, you do iritually to remove idlozi la kade uthwasela khona, to remove impepho le kade lokushiselwa yakhona nekade uyishisa na ubiza idlozi la khona. You need to ugeza nalelo bovu owagcotshwa lona, ngoba phela usugeza idalwa zakho yonke lo mase uyaxolisa kubantu abadala ushweleze ucha ngenze iphutha. So those are some of the reasons ezenza ukuthi ungayiboni growth after uphumile ephehlweni. It's because of that. Also, ake ngibuyele back to umuntu oshiya iphehlo in the right place la idlozi esuke limtshengise khona, elimyese khona the right way, nakhona befika aklikhe nogobela wakhe, kuvuleke amaphupho akhe, kuvuleke zonke izinto zakhe. However, umuntu agcine seyidecide ukuthi you know what, into yabantu abadala ngeke. It's either umuntu uyithandela nje impilo, because some of us do that. Abona ukuthi umuntu no, bengisephehlweni I cannot have sex with my girlfriend or boyfriend or partner kanjalo, then umuntu afeel ukuthi uzoza ngichithele and all. Abanye abantwana bedlozi umuntu bese ephehlweni akabi fully ephehlweni ngokwamoya, ngokwenhliziyo. Inhliziyo yakhe isuke ngaphandle, acabangele labantu abashile ngaphandle, acabangele izinto eziningi, maybe usayithandela ubumnandi, partying, clubbing and all of those things. So abona ukuthi hayi ngathi lento yedlozi yangisinda. If ever kunezinto ekufanele ngizilele, fanele ngizilele utshwala, fanele ngizilele sex, fanele ngizilele ukuziphatha and remain, kunabantu ebahlulayo leyo mpilo leyo, yabo, and then I'll share iphehlo. So ke lapho ke in your case definitely you're not going to see growth, ngoba vele ushiye iphehlo, usuqalile umsebenzi wabantu abadala, and then you just decided to leave it like that. So you won't get any personal growth there, you won't get any spiritual growth, because ushiye umsebenzi wabantu abadala wena usuyawuqeda or uphakathi now or uqala irregardless but uqalile kwamemezwa idlozi la jabula ukuthi usuzolapha kodwa usushiya phakathi nendawo. So in that case ke suke sekufanele uwenze umsebenzi wokushweleza uxolise kubantu abadala and sincerely futhi nakhona uxolise ushweleze ngendlela correct engizoyibala the after sengibalela nje noma yini yokushweleza ethongweni kuze phela bakuqaqela izinto zakhe and you correct your wrongs. Okay, ake ngibuyele ke the importance of umsamo ukuba nendlu yabantu abadala in your yard or in your home. Ngicela ukukhuluma mostly about people who do have homes, not a person who's renting. Ngicela ukukhuluma nje specifically laba banayo imizi yet they don't have imsamo emakhaya. Kodwa bayazazi ukuthi maybe spiritually unesiphiwo anaso or uyazi ukuthi umbathwe idlozi umndeni nje ombathwe idlozi. It's very important to have umsamo bantwana bedlozi. It's very, very important ukuba nomsamo in your home. La ukwazi khona ukuthi bufuna ukumemeza abantu abadala, you just go phakathi endlini yabantu abadala and you do so. Ave beshesha if ever uzoba nomsamo ekhaya because you don't have to go ehlani entabeni and all of these places to call upon them. You know, you can just do it at home. And bayasabela ave ngiuthanda umsamo semagcekeni because idlozi liyaziphendulela nje ngezindlela eziningi. They respond fast futhi nakhona good people buwenza umsamo ukwazi ube nomsamo seek, you know, that advice some la kubalapha endabuko or not umlapha wendabuko, sorry, but umuntu one background right when it comes to cultures, you know, when it comes to your culture, wena lo sukubhekene naleyo situation ukuthi abantu abadala ubafaka kanjani. Yes, you've constructed that place, that house or rondavel noma ngabe yini osushila ukuthi hayi indlu yabantu abadala ke le. Seek advice or get help in assistance ukuthi ke abantu abadala uzobafaka kanjani in your home, bangena kanjani naba sebekhona officially ngendlela right. Then you have that house, guys, keep that house clean. Why is it most of you ningena kuleyo ndlu only benyo phahla niyoshisa impepho? Why is it that? Because indlu yabantu abadala nawe in your home you mop, you sweep, you mop on a daily basis. I assume ukuthi ni clean ngaleyo ndlela. So why is it yona you only open uma bufuna ukuyoshisa impepho or kukhona umsebenzi wakhona qhamuke seniyavula senisusulwembu senisusi dust? Why? And you expect idlozi lakho ukuthi libe active and you expect idlozi lakho to ukuthi likwenzele izinto ezi-right. You take indlu yabantu abadala, you turning it into a storeroom. You putting everything there eningasayidingi in your house, you putting it endlini yabantu abadala, you turning it into a storeroom, yet you expecting futhi ukuthi idlozi libe fully active. Kanjani? Lingaba active kanjani idlozi likuphakele likulethele konke okuhle wena uligcina endaweni engahlanzekile, wena uligcina endaweni engekho clean, wena uyahlala endaweni engekho clean? Angithi wena ukube ne moment la ukuyongena khona emsamo ukuthi nje abantu abadala ngizobonga ukuphila, ngizobonga ukuthi nihlaleni ikhona nisibhekile kuleli ikhaya. Akufanele emsamo ungene all the time uzocela. No, ngena nje emsamo uzobonga abantu abadala. Abantu abadala ngibonga nje ukuphila ukuthi umphefumulo usahlangene nenyama, ngibonga ukuthi nisasikhusele nisasibhekile kuleli ikhaya lisamile ngoba nikhona. Yabona, don't always go there ngoba you seeking for intervention yabo all the time. No, even if it's good, you just go there. Lelo dlozi lakho lohlaleli active uyaliququza nalo, you giving them, you know, lokho ukuthi bahlale bekuba idlozi ukuqala lisondela kumuntu olinakile. Akuyo ukuthi nje kungonakele lutho ubenzele ilada abantu abadala endlini yabo emsamo wabo, hamba uyothenga izinto wenza ilada. Cha, abantu abadala akukho kuthena ngicela ilutho kodwa nje ngicela ukunibonga, nginibonga nje ukuthi nisalibhekile leli ikhaya kungonakele lutho. Ukuphakela abantu abakudala kudingi nokuthi uzuphuphe, akufanele kuze kube yibona abakutshengisa ukuthi hayibo it's long overdue. Ubaphekele nje umqombothi, ubaphekele isiZulu, uhambe uyoshiya emsamo ulibike ulishisele iphepha abantu abadala ngithi anginiphuzise nakho akufanele lokho kuze kube ibona abalethela amaphupho ukuthi hayibo sicela ukuphuza sicela ukudla. No, you just do it. You will see ukuthi idlozi lakho lohlale lifully active kanjani. Angeke ube umuntu uyohlala ekhala zonke izinsuku ukuthi hayi mina abantu abadala ngisazi ukuthi fanele ngenze njani, because uyabanakekela. The same way la ukwazi khona ukuthi unakekele your most valuable assets, nedlozi lenze njalo. Linakekele, unakekele indlu yabo, keep it clean, keep it spotless all the time. Vula amawindi, shower umoya every single day. Angithi nawe every single day you open windows. You need to treat that house as in kuhlala abantu obabona ngokwenyama, however kuhlala abantu abakwamoya. Yabo? Ngoba once you treat indlu yabantu abadala ngendlela ene-respect, uzobona idlozi lakho, trust me, uzolibona ukuthi lizosondela kanjani kuwena ngoba basondela kubantu ababanakile. Ngiyanicela njengoba unemoto ukwazi ukuthi imoto yakho masuyibona ukuthi iphelelwa amathayi, angithi uyahamba imoto yakho you go and change tires. After you've changed your tires, what do? You do wheel alignment. Angithi ngoba ufuna imoto yakho irun smooth. Thereafter what happens? Imoto yakho iba right, new tires, ihambe right la emgwaqweni. If usubona ukuthi iyaxega there, wenze njani? Suyayibona isiju for service. You taking it for service. Fike bayenze njani? Bayenze it either minor service or major service. Yenziwe engine, yenziwe yonke into. Ibuyisa njani imoto thereafter? It fully performs, because it's been serviced. Same goes nomsamo. Phakelana abantu abadala, abantwana bedlozi. Angingaze nilinde bona ukuthi baze bacele. Awukuhamba uyozibongela nje. Ngisho kuthiwa usalethanga lutho out of the blue, not ukuthi fanele kuze kube khona okubonayo. Bonga nje ukuthi idlozi likukhusele, likuvikele, likubhekile nabantwana bakho. Kunama families that go through a lot out there. Kunama families on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis bayangcwaba. Kuyafiwa kulelo khaya each and every time banemncwabo. But be thankful when it's not happening to you. Be thankful ukuthi when ubuya ekhaya busebenza ungazange ube involved to any accident. Babonga abantu abadala. Bonga umvela inqanga, uhlale phansi uguqe ngedolo emsamo wakho, ukhuleke, ukhanyisa izibani, ubize ongabonwayo, ubonge nakuyena. Out of the blue. Awungalindi ukuthi idlozi kuze likwenze. So please, iyona important yomsamo leyo. Bufuna idlozi ngampela elizo nikeza yonke lento efunayo. Yonke nemimoya. Bonke banakekele. Kube nalawo moment kuba hambe liyobenzela khona ilade emanzini. Kube khona i-moment yohambe yobamemeza eintabeni. Angithi you accommodating yonke imimoya enayo. Angiphathi ke futhi beni you are multi gifted. All these sources fanele wena ufunda ukuthi uyenze emsamo ilad uyelenze emanzini uyahamba uyolenza naseintabeni, because vele fanele ube accommodative kubona bonke. Please bantwana bedlozi, take care of idlozi leni. Imsamo it's very important. Nokuthi lento ukuthi wena uhleli kahle kumuzo right, but however idlozi lakho ulihlalise kwindle edabukisayo. No. Don't do that. Linakekele idlozi lakho. Liphe konke okuhle nawe ongafisa ukuthi uphiwe kona. Yabona? Bekupha amandla. Go and buy blocks, go and buy bricks, build them a house in your home. Bebe kufuna uRondaveli, then you do it. Bebe kufuna uRondaveli onotshani, fulela ngotshani phezulu. Bajabulise kuze nabo bezokujabulisa. Hayi ukuthi wena bakuphe indlu enkulu, 9 room, 10 room, 4 room, 5 room, it doesn't matter. And then when you're making them umsamo wabo to be into encane ikopi elakhiwe ngothayela with steel sheets. Yet when you cozy. No. Hayi bantwana bethongo. Bakuphila imali, bakhele indlu yabo. Usanomsamo wasekameleni. Ekameleni labo uvakashele intombi, la uvakashele i-girlfriend, i-boyfriend. You still calling that place umsamo wakho yethi usutholile amandla ukuthi ube nekhaya akhela abantu abadala ecele endlini yakho ubakhipheke kulowo msamo loyo wawuwenzelwe because wena umsamo asekameleni umsamo wesikhashana you living in the suburbs yet you still have umsamo ekameleni you do have space in your yard la ungakwazi khona ukuthi wakhe khona indlu yabantu abadala no ngiyanicela benifuna ithongo lilinakekele benifuna banenzele konke nicelayo linake nawe uliphathi kahle as much as nawe uziphatha kahle angithi ngoba uyazinakekela nawe angithi nawe when you get sick buzizwa ukuthi uleka those nutritions buzizwa ukuthi angikho right you take care of yourself you get multivitamins you ahamba kodokotela you do everything you take care of yourself to ensure ukuthi uyaphila physically you okay so yini ekuhlulayo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi unakekele idalwa zakho awukwazi na ukuhlala endaweni engcolile angithi awukwazi ukuhlala endaweni eclustered so why make abantu abadala to stay in a place like that bufuna idlozi lakho nje likunakekele likwenzele konke liphathe kahle nawe kuze uzokwazi ukuthi zonke izinto zikuhambele kahle and ngicela understand your history understand indlela ebabekhula ngayo obabomkhulu no gogo at their time ukuthi babe kanjani ikhaya lakho elikhulu try and get history phahla if ever you don't know if bengasekho abasaphila bangakazi ukuthi bakutshele sometimes they even show you in your dreams you azibona in this yard esemakhaya ubone mhlambe kuno round kunayo yonke into they showing you isakhiwo eindawo bona babephila kuzona they showing you indawo ababephila kuyona so now you seeing all of those things you seeing idlozi liyakutshengisa zonke lezo zinto kwenziwa yini ke abantu bedlozi mase nifike nihamba izangoma nihambe abantu la ngaphandle and they tell you ukuthi a certain plant outside or a tree ngaphandle in your home outside phakathi egcekeni lakho mase kuthiwa that is a place you should call your altar and then nawe you do i-altar lapho yethu abantu abadala bahlale bekutshengisa bona ukuthi this is where they reside this is how it was in their olden days but wena usuthatha i-culture yomunye umuntu ekuyena lo melapho endabuko ophahlela esihlahleni okanye ophahlela in a plant in their yard wena yakho idlozi lalakhe bafanele ngabe ulakhelise indlu yabo and then you don't see growth and everything ngobani why wena uhleli endlini you are cozy yethe lakhe idlozi ulihlalise eminyango uyaphuma uyesihlahleni to that plant uyophahla ubeka impepho ubeka izibani zakho nithi benihlabile imbuzi noma nihlabe noma inkomo niyahamba nakuleso sihlahla niyophahlela khona niyobika khona niyophakela abantu abadala khona yethu abantu abadala abahlale bekutshengisa ukuthi this is not for us amasiko ethu awafani you need to understand yours you need to seek history yakini ya ehambisana nawe ungahambe uthatha izinto ezishiwa abelaphi bendabuko ngoba omunye naye kusuke kuyinto yomkhuba asuke naye mhlambe la ethwasela khona afice kwenziwa kanjalo wagcine naye sephuma ephehlweni eseyokwenza njalo naye afundisa abanye nabo baphinde benze njalo kanti wena akuhambisani nawe fila wena ukuthi ngihlele endlini kunezikhukhula there's terrible rain outside there's storms there's winds there's everything uhleli wena endlini however zakhe idala they outside by the tree by the plant there ezinye izinto bozibuka ukuthi ziyahambisana yini nawo I'm not against abantu abakwenzayo lokho maybe it's their culture but wena osukuzazi ukuthi akuhambisani nawe into fanele uyifile nawe ngaphakathi ngiyacela lalelani imimoya yenu lalelana amathongo bekhuluma because ayakhuluma ngamaphupho they even show you through my intuitions ama instincts ayakhuluma sometimes uzidlulele by umuzi womuntu othize uthi ngaze ngayithanda le yandlu le they are telling you this is what we want so understand lento yokuphahlela ezihlahleni by the plants please you need to understand ukuthi is it part of your roots kwakwenzeka yini ngaleyo ndlela kuze uzokwazi ukuthi ungalokhu uhlala uthe lamidlozi aliphendule lamidlozi alingenzeli lutho ugcina usuthuka idlozi kanti indlela yakho yokwenza nawe uphambana nezindlela zabo and understand ikhaya elinomsamo oqinile wabantu abadala kunendlela nawe fanele uliphathe kahle lelo khaya you can't just forever bringing abantu left, right and center bayangena, entering your home noma kanjani. Your home fanele kube ikhaya elinesithunzi, ikhaya elizohlonishwa nabanye abantu. How do you do that? You okufanele wenze wakhe leyo nto leso sithunzi in your home. Lihloniphe ikhaya lakho. If uzokwenza amaphathi kuphuzwe ekhaya lakho like it's a chicken house, how do you expect idlozi lakho likunakekele? Yet you are making them to live in a space enomsindo engenakho ukuthula, ehamba ingena nje abantu in and out. Ikhaya lingenasithunzi, ikhaya linomsamo sakhe isithunzi, because fanele lihlonipheke nawe ukwazi ukuthi ulihloniphe ikhaya lakho. So please, that is very important. Kuze nizowabona ke imimoya yena amadlozi enu ukuthi asebenza kanjani. How far can they stretch? How far can they go ukuthi bakwenzele izinto ezinhle? Nawe enza the proper things the right way. Akekho umuntu ongathanda ukuthi ikhaya lakhe lihlonipheke. Awungabe nje wena ikhaya ekwazi ukuthi bekuzoba nephathi osiya kasibani. No. Respect your home. If you start respecting your own home, other people will respect your home as well. Oh, okay. Sikhulumeke manje ngokushweleza ethongweni the right way. Usuwonile nawe, ziningi izinto zenzile. Idlozi likuphile imali, likuphile indlela zokuphila, likulethelile even abantu in your life abazoletha i-growth, personal growth, spiritual growth. However, awuzange uzuyisebenzise leyo opportunity ukuthi wenze izinto ngendlela right. Ziningi izinto esisuke sishwelezele edlozini, sibuye sishwelezele ngisho amacala abazali bethu ukuthi abazali bethu basibiza ngezibongo ekufanele ngaba basibize ngazo. Sishwelezela ngisho abazali bethu abathuka idlozi, sishwelezela ngisho abogogo nomkhulu abangenzanga kahle. Gcine leyo generational curse sigcina sihamba kuthina. Ziningi izinto ezisuke zisimosha egcine sekufanele sihambe siyishwelezele, nokuxabana nokushayana egcekeni kuze mhlambe kuphuma isidumbu kuchitheke igazi siyimndeni. Ziningi izinto ezistophayo ukuthi sibe negrowth. Manje ke sixolisa kanjani? Ngonile yebo, idlozi bekufanele ngabe izinto zalo ngizenzile ngangazenza, bakhuluma imimoya bonke bangivezela izinto but ngangazenza, ngastola ngazenzela izinto zami, even nemali abanginikeze yona, still I did not do izinto zedlozi. Ngazi athendele zami ezinye izinto eziseceleni. Ziningi izinto esuke sekufanele siyishwelezele edlozini sixolise. Unganalento yethu yokuhamba siconsulta yonke indawo, sihambe sithatha yonke imithi esiyitholayo la ngaphandle kubalaphi bendabuko, thola ukuthi ayihambisani neyakho imimoya, yet still uyayifaka, uyaphalaza, uyaqhuma, uyageza, uyachatha, wenza zonke lezi zinto, ungcolisa umzimba wakho, ungcolisa idalwa zakho, ungcolisa ikhaya lakho ngazo yonke leyo mithi ebengafanele ngabe ingenile ikwena in the first place. Hambile wahamba ungena igodlo zabantu, uhambe udonsa imimoya yakho ezigodlweni zabantu abangakazi baze bakuyalela ukuthi uhambe kuzona. Sonke lezo izinto esuke sesishwelezela uma sesifuna phela ke basixolele, basizwele, basihawukele bakithi. Base bekwazi ukuthi ke okay, sicela ke ukuthi kube ne way forward manje. Ushweleza kanjani ke kubantu abadala? Buna umsamo, you can do it at home. Bungenawo umsamo, go by the waters. Phathe izinto ezithize, ensure ukuthi uyaphatha izinto ezizohambisana nogogo, ensure ukuthi uyaphatha izinto ezizohambisana nomkhulu, ensure uzophatha izinto ezizohambisana namanono nezinsizwa, yonke leyo nto wonke. Masushweleza usuke usushweleza kubona bonke. Awuchoose abantu, you just do it to everyone. So kuleso sikhathi leso ensure ukuthi yonke into yobuyiphethe in that space izobe bahlanganise bonke. Bring tea for abogogo, tea with sugar, tea without sugar. Uphathe ugwayi wamakhehla, uphathe ugwayi wogogo, uphathe ugologo womkhulu, uphathe ubhiya wamakhehla, uphathe amaheya wamakhehla, because kukhona bomkhulu abangaphuzi. It doesn't always mean ukuthi bonke omkhulu bayaphuza. Uphathe amaheya, uphathe amasi, uphathe traditional food, uphathe fruits, you name it, all of that. Ufike ushweleze, phathe izinkukhu zakho. Bewukuthi usekhaya emsamo na umsamo amandla bakuphile, thenga izimbuzi, uzoshweleza. Shweleze sincerely to show ukuthi uyaxolisa kwizenzo zabazali, izenzo zakho, izenzo whatever lokho sikukushwelezela. Uxolise, hayi lento ukuthi sifike sithi abantu abadala ngiyaxolisa ngiyazi ngonile, cela ningivulele. No. Awukume ngokucela, akuqale nje ushweleze. Isikhathi side nje ushweleze. uxolise kubantu abadala, uxolise baluzwe uxolo lakho luqhamuka ngaphakathi kuwena. Ungaxolisi just because ufuna ukuthi kukhanye izinto zakho. Xolisa because uyabona ukuthi njengomntwana wonile, so ufuna ukulungisa izinto ngendlela efanele. Bekuthi ke umuntu ombethwe imimoya, you need to cleanse thereafter. Bazi ukuthola impande ozokwazi ukuthi uhlambulule, uthola inyongo bengabe unedlozi ngempela leli elixakile ngazo zonke indlela. Uthole impande yokuhlambulula idlozi. Ucleanse ngayo, ufake inyongo yalezo inkukhu lezo, ufake phakathi kuleyo muthi leyo uzobusebenzisa, and you cleanse. Mase ulandele lapho uphinde ucleanse ngamanzi omfula. Xolisa ushweleze. I'm not going to go deep into that step, but do it the proper way yokuthi mase ushweleze edlozini. Njoba ngisho ukuthi ungabarophi, babize bonke, uwenze zonke izinto zabo nezibani uzenze ngendlela efanele zonke. Kulelo ladi lakho wenze sure ukuthi nje awulenzi ngoba inhliziyo yakhe isifuna ukuthi ngoba ngifuna kubuya imoto yami, ngoba ngifuna kubuya umuzi wami, ngoba ngifuna kubuya inkosikazi wami noma no, enza ngoba sincerely you feel sorry, uyabona ukuthi wonile, so uyafisa ukuthi abantu abadala. Then mase uyiqedile ke yonke leyo nto leyo cleansing, usuyacela ke usuqeda kusugeza, ngicela ningikhanyisele ke abantu abadala ke niphinde ngiyaxolisa. It's a process, but indlela yokuxolisa abantu abadala, you have to do it ukume kancane ukuthi ngicela ukuxolisa nje, ukuxolisa. Angithi upartner wakho benixabene ekublockile engasakukhulumisi for weeks, for days, uyakwazi ukuthi umncenge azagcine sekukhulumisa, aza-unblock. Angithi you do the same for idlozi. Idlozi liyanakekelwa. Awungathi ukwazi ngoba ezinye izinto ezibacasulayo uyakwazi ukuthi uncenge abanye abantu, yethu uyahluleka ukuncenge lakhe idlozi. Mase lakho uyalithuka uthi alikwenzeli lutho, yethu uyahluleka wena ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ulincenge idlozi lakho uthi cha, ngiyanicela abantu abadala, ngiyazi ngonile kodwa ngicela nivulelele inhliziyo yenu, nilamkele uxolo lami. Kuyaxolisa edlozini njengoba ukwazi nopartner wakho ukuthi umncenge. Kufuna ukwenza nje a very nice example, you do the same for idlozi lakho as well. Uyancenga uzobona ukuthi cha seliya responda ke manje, kuzwakala ukuthi ngixolisile bangizwile. Naku partner uyona uxolisa, angakukhulumisa uxolisa aza athambe, nedlozi nalo liya eventually bayathamba. Okay, ake ngikhulumeke about seeing shadows. Oh, right? Whether usekhaya, whether you're going emgwaqweni, noma ngabe ukuphi, even at work, anywhere, and then you noticing shadows, yabona, it doesn't always mean ukuthi izilwane lezo, because like abanye abantu when they communicate with me with regards to this, bahlale bethi gogo otikoloshe izilwane yonke leyo nto leyo. I'm seeing all of that because firstly you need to understand when you're seeing that shadows, feel your energy. Do you feel off? Do you feel ukuthi no, something is off, umzimba, like there's a bad energy here? Then if you're feeling that, then you need to know it's okay, akuwona umoya omuhle. But if you're seeing shadows, obviously you will be scared. You're gonna be scared kancane ngoba phela ikuyathusa ukubona into obungayi-expectile. But then umoya wakho, what does your energy say? What does your intuition say? Yabo, buzizwa ukuthi yes ngiyasaba, however kodwa anginayo leyo bad vibe ukuthi no, kune negative energy. Idlozi, that's how they do. Baqale bakuteste kanjalo before they show themselves. Baqale nje you see them as shadows. Baqale babone ukuthi do you get used to that? Bayukuthi so used to that, then they show themselves. La uzobe usubona khona ugogo, umkhulu okanye ingane noma ngabo baba, uyinsayintsizwa, intombi, ngoba phela abaningi sibabonayo. It's not always ugogo nomkhulu kuphela. There's a lot. Ungathi uthi uyaphuma nje ngaphandle ubona ingane ihleli ngaphandle iyadlala, uzobaleka ukuthi isilwane, kanti no, umntwana, umnono walapha ekhaya, ufikile uzovakasha. So sense your energy, feel. That is why firstly baqale bakuteste ngokuthi uqala ufile. You know when you get those goosebumps, suddenly uyashiselwa, suddenly you have that, you know, like you're having that anxiety, ube naloma butterflies, ube that electric shock, uzothi no, i-presence yabo yokuqala baqale baziveze kanjalo. Kuhambe uya upgrade manje, kulandele you see shadows. Once they see what you're getting used to those shadows, usuya-upgrade, you see them live. Okay, khona la una besa testa khona la uzoqala electric shock, that feeling of uthi na ngashisa kunalo moya enguzwayo uzwe ngathi kudlula umoya la eceleni kwakho, suddenly you feel cold or you feel hot, bakutesta kanjalo. First stage, second stage, shadows, third stage you see them. Uzoyiphumela nje uthi yongena noma isemsam noma ikuphi noma ngaphandle nje uthi you going outside, or you just walking inside your bedroom or wherever you see a child. You see intombazane ihlalele phansi or emile, or ugogo uthi uyavuka nje nangu ugogo eceleni kwakho, or uhleli phansi embedeni nawe uyakhuluma nawe, lalela nangu umkhulu nangu bani baningi baqale bakuya ngeziteji zokubabona. So it's not always ukuthi bubona ama shadows, izilwane, otikoloshe, bakhova ipoki. No, listen to your energy, listen to your spirit, listen to your intuition ukuthi when you're seeing that, what does it say? Then if immediately kunaleyo bad vibe, then you need to know ukuthi okay, this is not a good spirit. However, if ufila okay ukuthi no, yes, I'm seeing this, yes, I'm scared, but I'm okay, then know ukuthi it's a visit from abantu abadala. The energy yakho that can only tell you ukuthi is this good or is it bad. So you need to understand ukuthi idlozi lakho li-communicate kanjani. Li-communicate nawe through your intuitions, mostly when you're seeing those shadows, because kuyinto esiyenzeka at that present moment. So when I understand umzimba wakho ukuthi uthini, remember wena umuntu wokuphila ngokwenyama, imimoya le, so vele if izosondela eduze kwakho, something will happen in your body. So you need to understand when that vibration ukuthi leyo vibration engiyifilayo ikanjani, yabona. Ukufikelwa nje isipoki noma utikoloshe noma umkhovu, yabona nje, firstly utikoloshe nomkhovu, when there is one in the house, there's an awful smell. There is an awful smell kuba ngathi khona into ebolile, kuba ngathi khona umuntu ongagezile la, kube khona nje that thing off, vele uthi yini leso smell, what is that? Ubone kuyizinto sometimes uzwe mhlawumbe giggling, smiling, you know, kuba nje nezinto ezifani mos, nomzimba wakho ulitshela ukuthi khona into off la, khona nje into off, khona into engekho nje right. Ubone kugankazeka iminyango, kwenzeka zonke lezi zinto ezisangene nje. Then you need to know ukuthi okay, there's a bad spirit. Yes, nabantu abadala bayake benza ukuthi bebefika bebefuna uba notice, mhlawumbe kube khona something they will drop, but lapho uzofila wena ukuthi kukanjani. Kodwa lana suddenly when you feel a smell like a dead dog, like a dead rat, like khona ebolile nje, then you need to know ukuthi okay, khona into off la, kunesilwane esisuke sikhona la endlini. Nezipoki mos ushwaqela umzimba bekhona isipoki endlini or in your yard, even in your yard bumuntu akamoya yakwazi ukudonsa, uyeza ukuthi ushwaqela umzimba, lokho ku uncomfortable, lokho kuyisicefe ku uncomfortable, so kutshengisa ukuthi kunomoya wesipoki la in the yard. So understand that, read your energy. Okay ke ake sikhulume ngokuthula kwemimoya. Uvele nje uzizwe imimoya yakho ithuli, whether inzuza, idlozi, emakhosini, isithunywa, imimoya nje yakho ozazi ukuthi uhlala ulifila, uyayifila imimoya yakho. However this time, hayi mos, uyafeel ukuthi no, it's just quiet. Mhlambe sometimes uzizwe ukuthi awusabhodli, awuzamuli, yabona uzwe ukuthi no, what is going on, you know. It's sometimes not a bad sign, but understand what happens during that time. But sometimes it calls for a concern. Yabona, it calls for a concern if awusabhodli, 1, awusazamuli, awusaphuphi, and then you forever having that electric shock feeling, yet awuzwa lutho. Uyabona, uyeza ukuthi kunale energy into wrong, but however idlozi lakho uqobo lwalo, you're not feeling them. Abasakhulumi kuwena through dreams, abasakhulumi eindlebeni zakho, abasakhulumi ngezenzo nama signs and everything, but kuba nalento emzimbeni wakho mos, that will it will be too quiet, and then kube nalawo moment ukuthi umzimba wami awukho right, umzimba wami awukho right, yet uyeza ukuthi spiritually it's quiet, kodwa manje umzimba wakho it's just giving you that sign ukuthi no, something is off. Yabona, mhlawumbe uzoza leyo electric shock ingasapheli, kodwa yet akukhulumi lutho, neindlebe zakho ziyithulele nje, akukho any spiritual presence oyifilayo abasakhuluma benzi lutho, then that's calls for a concern. Ngoba lapho it can be ukuthi mhlambe kunezinto ade bekutshela zona awusazenzi, sebecasukile, sebedubile, sebethuli, sebeyakubuka ukuthi ke okay ake simbukeke ukuthi mase singasaqhubeki simnikeza ama instructions usezokwenza njani. It can also mean they require amagobongo, they require impande manje, you are long overdue. Mhlambe kade bekutshengisa through amaphupho ukuthi you need to do this now, however awuzwa awuboni mhlambe you missing the signs. Yabona bagcineke sebenza ngalendlela, maybe ni lifestyle nawe osuphila ngayo ayihambisani nabo. Mhlawumbe awusahlali kakhulu ekhaya, you forever out, going out with people, friends, you abonje awusahlalisekile kanti umuntu onemimoya ekufanele uphinde ube nesikhathi where you alone. So wena mhlawumbe awusahlalisekile, you forever in crowded places with people abanama bad energies, yabona. But kade bekunikeza ama signs ukuthi no, you know what, bazame mhlawumbe uku-isolate, uphuma nangenkani wena. Ngisho abantu nabo laba baku-isolate kubona nabo sebeyaqala ukuziba but uphume ngenkani, yabo. Those are some of the causes ezigcine zenza ukuthi idlozi lithule. La osuke khona lithuli, yethu sabhodla, yethu sazamula, yethi unakho lokho in your body ukuthi umzimba wakhe awuguli awunalutho, but it's just that abakhulumi ezindlebeni, abakhulumi in your dreams, but uyazibhodlela, uyazamula, ngoba phela ukubhodla nokuzamula isign ye-presence yomuntu omdala leyo. Noma ngabe ufikile kodwa akakhulumi, noma ngabe vele le moya ephila nawe on a daily basis kodwa uthule. Sometimes they do give us a break, guys. They do give us a break. So lapho bekusenzeka kanjalo but still ubona bethuli, just know that there's nothing wrong. They're just giving you a break. Because at the end of the day, phela nathi we are normal. Fanele siphile normal, sikwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto sizenze nje just normal. Ngeke njalo uhlala ulalela imithetho yedlozi, njalo hamba ukwenza ukuthi thatha lokhu, phuma lana enza lokhu. You understand? They sometimes give us a break to be normal like any other children. Yabona? So understand the difference. Nakhona ngoba ke mase kuthuli ke ugula ke, then you do the thing the right way. Phahla ke manje buhluleka ukuphahla. Zama ukulandelela ukuthi ke abantu abadala ngitshengiseni ukuthi ke ngiyabona ukuthi shoot khona la ingone khona, ngitshengiseni ukuthi ngenze njani. Beke ukuthi mhlambe nifuna kube khona ozongenelela, cela ningitshengise ukuthi ngiye kuphi la kuzongenelela khona, ngilungise la esengone khona. Wenze kufanele ukwenze, bekufanele ukuthi usuju ukuthi uhambe emanzini, you do that. Beke ukuthi usuju for ukufasta, you do that. So ukuthi bekuju ukuthi wenze whatever ritual akade sekufanele uyenze, uyenze ke kude ke kodwa ke sorry ulungise ke phela la esuke sekonakele khona. Balekelele nabo bakuvulele ukuthi ke nakho la ekufuke kufanele kwenze khona, kodwa ke phela masu notice ukuthi kukanje ungahlali phansi, ungabohlala phansi uma ubona ukuthi khona la uzwa khona ukuthi akuhambi kahle. And also idlozi la komunye umuntu liyakwazi ukukuvulela inhlanhla zakho. Kunabantu abazolethwa in your life okanye nomuntu ozolethwa in your life just to help you throughout your spiritual journey, just to help you mhlambe kwisimo sokubhekene naso. Ufike lo muntu akulekelele. Okay? Akulekelele ngazo zonke indlela asuke zokulekelela ngazo. And then nawe ke kube nale moment lo muntu esizodinga usizo kuwena. Fanele nawe umsize wholeheartedly, ngothando, nokuzimisela, nokuzinikela. Luyobona idlozi lakhe naye ukuthi liyokubonga kanjani. Ngoba nawe elakho liyombonga konke osuke ekwenzele kona. Naye lakhe lizokwazi ukuthi likubonge kuzona zonke izinto osuzenzile umlekelela lo muntu. Ungamlelekelela ngisho umuntu akisakhuluma ngama finances. Yonke indlela umuntu asuke efuna ngayo usizo. Sometimes omunye umuntu afike kuwena exakekile, ehluphekile, they just need emotional help, support. Umnikeze lo muntu. Lo muntu usumphilisile emotionally. Ukuphila emotionally uyaphila spiritually. Ngoba mhlawumbe beseduke kakhulu ubone kuza kuwena umuntu onezinkinga ezingaka. Akuzele nezinkinga ezingaka noma ungamnikanga lutho. Just being there for that person, listening to that person, giving assistance where you can. Idlozi lakhe liyakwazi ukubonga. It's not always ezakho izidalwa ezikwazi ukuthi zihlale zikulungisele izinto zakho. Nela omunye umuntu liyakwazi ukuthi likubonge, likuvulele la ekuvaleke khona. Ubona izinto zakho sezikhanya, kanti lo mphefumulo ofike kuwena wazocela usizo, wamlekelela wena emotionally noma ngabe yiphi indlela, wavulelela futhi inhliziyo yakho ngothando. Ezakhe idalo zibuye zizokukhanyisela izinto zakho, zibuke ukuthi kuxegaphi la kuwena mase zikukhanyisele zikwenzele konke kuhle. So ke be aware of ezinye izinto ezikanjalo. Idlozi la kwenye indawo liyakwazi nawe ukulethela izinto ezinhle. Sengigcina nje, ngiyabona ukuthi this video is going for an hour now. Sengigcina nje, bantwana bamathongo, ake sifundiseni abantwana bethu our cultures. Ake singavumi ukuthi impilo yesimanje, i-generation yesimanje okanye nje impilo esisiphila kuyona nowadays ibulale isintu sethu, ibulale our cultures. Ithina ekusuke sekufanele si-installe i-history in our kids' minds. Ithina esuke sekufanele sibafundise ngamasiko ekhaya, ngoba nawe uma masuhambile ngelinye ilanga emhlabeni, ingane yakho fanele ikwazi uqhubeke iphile ngokwesiko la ekhaya, kuze nayo ingayitholi isineyinkinga nawe obhekane nazo ezadalwa abazali. Ngoba phela nathi siphila emacaleni abazali abalahla amasiko, esigcine lezo zinto sezizowela kubani, sezizowela kuthina. So to avoid, because we know the trauma, we know ukuhlupheka obhekana nakho ezimeni ezikanjalo, asigwemeke. Let's avoid that in the next generation. Kulabantwana laba esibakhulisayo, asibafundise ngamasiko, asibafundise ngokubaluleka kwaNkulunkulu nethongo ezimpilweni zabo. Ake sibafundise ngokuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuhlonipha umsamo, kuba nomsamo, ukuhlonipha as a person, ukuhlonipha ikhaya uqobo lwalo. Ake sibafundiseni kuze isiko lethu nokuthina bungapheli, bungashabalali, especially if you know or you can see the sign ukuthi nomntwana wakho nayo spiritually gifted, so that lo mntwana ngelinye ilanga when their spiritual awakening starts, yethi kodwa i-foundation yalezinto lezi zamasiko, i-foundation yokuphila nemimoya ekhaya